Ibophobia is it. Tinubu won't like it because it's a good move. Do you know what it means? If Biafra and Japan align together to bring in productivity into the southeastern Nigeria, it means Biafra will just excel. Biafra will what? Evaporate into the air, spreading popularity that has no equal on the continent of Africa. That is a good move. I support the Japanese, the move of the Japanese. I support Orabueze's expanding of Biafran tentacles all over the countries of the world for recognition. In fact, it is a very, very good development accepted by all Biafran faithfuls, IPOB agitators, the followers of Nnamdi Kanu, and Mazi Simon Ekpa. It's historical. It's historical, and it is political, and you see, it is let me say investment and business streaking. If you look at the soul of this team, as you read it out, it has to do with industrialization, commercialization, investment of the land of the rising sun in the Biafra land. The land of the rising sun, the whole world knows, is Japan. So that is a good move and a development by the Igbo man. Of course, you know that Igbo men are industrious and most of them are industrialists. If you can remember the Japanese of West Africa, not only Nigeria, it is Aba. Aba is the Japanese and China of West Africa, because virtually the whole thing Japanese are manufacturing in terms of automobile, in terms of aircraft, in terms of other materials, you know, material things. Aba is embarking on it 100% to carve out such products perfectly. Even they are trying to outsmart the Japanese that actually invented such craft, you know, automobiles and you know, material things like clothes and all that. So what happened is that a recognition of Biafra is a campaign that is going all over Europe. It has circumnavigated the whole Europe successfully. Now it is taking its hold in the Tiger Asia, Southeast Asia, that's Japan, Singapore, Malaysia, and so on, Indonesia, and so on and so forth. They are bringing Biafra awareness to all these countries so that when the sovereign state of Biafra become a republic, there will be the kind of trade pacts, you know, investment pact is going to commence between Biafra and all these Asian countries. And it's going to trigger off like wildfire. Wildfire. Because Japan actually knows that Biafra is a land of rising sun in the Eastern Africa. And Japan is a land of rising sun in the Eastern Asia. So you can see the correlationship between the two countries. So the Igbo man that has made this move has achieved a great feat. And I thank God as the Biafran nation has bought into it by giving them kudos or approval of that request.
Okay. But although the man said, you know, if he had to, you know, run away, that his brother died in the civil war due to Kwashoko, and at the same time that him himself, he had to run to, that he has stayed in Japan for over 30 years, that Japan is a country that has always accepted, you know, the Biafrans, and with what is going on now, that, you know, what is soliciting for them is for them to foster, you know, just like you said, you know, business relationship and at the same time immigration relationship. What's your take as regards?
Yes, if you see what happened before, you can at least go to a country and that country or nation accepted you. It means you are abiding by the law. You've not come into that country with your own religious nonsense or ideology, trying to force it on the people you come to meet or work in their country. Of course, they are your guests. They are your host. You are their guest. And when on getting to that place, try to abide by their rules. You don't go there to involve on politics. Igbo man don't go to any country to involve on politics, to bring Igbo man traditional worship or religion and force it on such countries. Igbo man actually delve into many countries as a sojourner, a business sojourner, as an investor, a business investor. They just go into countries, they work hard, they work in various factories, they bring on their ideas, their own expertise to prove that they are industrious people, that they are people that are very intelligent, people that can invent things. That's why successfully they go to Japan, they mold engines, they mold fan belt, they mold all the spare parts that are components of an automobile, and they bring it back down to southeastern Nigeria and establish their own industry there. They will begin to manufacture all the components of what they actually, brought from Far East Asia. And now, Biafran land has been called worldwide, generally, as Japan of Africa.
But we heard Ngozi Oboreze, she was happy as regards this move. But do not think that what will be going through the Nigerian government, the likes of Tinubu, do not think they will be shocked as regards this progress that the Biafrans are making?
Yeah, Tinubu will shock. He is a shocked man already. He'll be highly surprised because Tinubu is anti-Igboist, a man that has this problem of Igbophobia. Anytime you tell him things about Igbo, he will start shivering. He didn't much, include Igbos in his cabinet because he's afraid of the Igbos. The fear of Igbo nation is now a terminology in English language, Igbophobia. People has problem with Igbophobia, and which is why I always like to bless and praise the Igbos. You always hear me, Igbo kwanu, Igbophobia. Igbo kwanu, Igbophobia. Igbophobia is more or less the like of the Tinubus. Doesn't see anything good on releasing in Nnamdi Kanu. Igbophobia is the like of fear that has made Tinubu to understand that Samuel is doing the needful, trying to defend his people. The tribe he comes from in the southeastern Nigeria is now having serious pact, meetings, secret meetings with Finland to bring back Samuel to be slaughtered in Nigeria. Igbophobia is it. Tinubu won't like it because it's a good move. Do you know what it means? If Biafra and Japan align together to bring in productivity into the southeastern Nigeria, it means Biafra will just excel. Biafra will evaporate into the air, spreading popularity that has no equal on the continent of Africa. That is a good move. I support the move of the Japanese. I support Orabueze's expanding of Biafran tentacles all over the countries of the world for recognition. In fact, it is a very, very good development accepted by all Biafran faithfuls, IPOB agitators, the followers of Nnamdi Kanu, and Mazi Simon Ekpa. Is a welcome idea. Okay.
A nation to be recognized from the whole world. As I'm speaking to you, our Biafran brother have presented the document that concerns Biafra and Nigeria for the Asian, which is the Japan, for them to recognize Biafra, that Biafra have existed even before the Nigeria. As I'm speaking to you, live and direct is happening. Finally, they approve it. The Japan president, they approve it 100% that they are in full support of Biafrans. My people, watch this video. Don't skip any part of this video so that you see what I'll be shouting, because it's not everything that we'll be bringing out here on this social media. Yes, but when the result come out, we'll bring it for all of us to see. That's all we will do, because we don't preach lies. All we preach here is nothing but the truth, because only the truth will stand. Yes, please, my wonderful people, as about to watch the video, don't forget to touch a hand for subscribe button, like and spread this message around the globe, and do well to touch a hand for notification bell so that whenever we upload a new video, you'll be the first person to be notified. Africa life matters. Don't play with your life, because an injustice for one is an injustice for all.
日本支部代表のヘンリー・アズブイケさんです。どうぞよろしくお願いします。Good afternoon, our Secretary General, Reiwa Shinsegumi, Japan. It's my pleasure to come here, sir. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, the City Council. Good afternoon.
今日ここにお招きいただきありがとうございます。令和新選組の笠井幹事長、そして所沢赤川洋二市議会議員に謹んでご挨拶申し上げます。
Ladies and gentlemen of the party, good afternoon to you all.
書かれて嬉しく思います。
I came from Maebashi today. My name is Henry Azubike.
ご紹介ありがとうございます。私の名前はヘンリー・アズブイケです。前橋市から参りました。
I lived in Japan many years, over 30 years.
日本に30年以上住んでおります。
Today, this wonderful opportunity that he has given me and you all to come and tell our story, I am very grateful. Thank you so much.
れいわ新選組と皆様、そしてここにいらっしゃっている皆様、私に意見を述べる機会を与えてくださり、とても嬉しく思います。ありがとうございます。
Yes, Biafra story is a very long story.
ビアフラに関しての話はとても長い話になってしまいます。
But today, because of time, I will not be able to tell all the long story. I will make it very short and very brief.
ですので、今回は非常に短い時間になりますが、短縮して短くお話しさせていただきます。
Biafra has suffered for so many years in the hand of Nigeria.
ビアフラは長年にわたりナイジェリアの一部として扱われて苦しんでまいりました。
The people of Biafra has gained independence in 1967 but lost it to Nigeria in 1970 as a result of war.
ビアフラが1967年に独立をしましたが、1970年まで3年間独立国としていたものの、その3年間の戦争の間にナイジェリアに負けて独立国としての地位を失ってしまいました。
Yes. When we returned back to Nigeria in 1970, we believed that we are coming back to form a one unity government of Nigeria. In 1970, when we end the war, we believed that we will have one Nigeria together.
1970年に戦争が終わったときに、3つの地域が一つになり、団結して一つの国にナイジェリアとして設立したと思いました。
Yes, but we tried. The Biafra people tried to belong to Nigeria, but Nigeria has rejected us so many ways, so many times. Difficult, they rejected us.
ビアフラの我々はナイジェリアの一部として適用しようとしました。大変な努力をしたんですけれども、ナイジェリア政府はそれをあらゆる形で弾圧し、阻止し、妨害してきました。そして私たちは大変な苦しみを味わいました。
Because of that, I have to escape to Japan.
それが私が日本に逃げてこなければいけなかった理由です。
Maybe if I didn't escape from Nigeria, maybe by now I'm dead.
もし日本に逃げてこなければ、私はもうナイジェリアで死亡していたことと思います。
So I'm very grateful to Japan and the people of Japan.
日本の皆様、私を受け入れてくださり、感謝しております。
The people of Biafra, we gathered in Finland to redeclare the restoration of our independence.
ビアフラ合衆国として、去年の2024年に独立宣言を行いました。
Yes, in Finland, in Lahti, from November 29th to December 3rd,
それはフィンランドのラハティ市で、2024年11月29日から12月3日までの間に行われた大会で起こりました。
We have asked Nigerian government through peaceful means to organize a referendum for us to decide whether we want to remain in Nigeria or we want to be on our own, but Nigeria refused. So we organized our own self-referendum from February 1st, 2024 to November 28th, 2024, where over 50 million Biafrans voted yes, we want to leave Nigeria peacefully.
ナイジェリア政府に独立をしたいと交渉いたしましたが、ナイジェリア政府に拒否されたため、私どもはこの件に関して住民投票を行いまして、ビアフラ人の5000万人以上がそれに投票し、そのうち 98% が独立に賛成し、その結果、独立宣言に至りました。
This was as a result of a tenacious effort of Biafra people over 54 years of suffering in the hands of Nigeria.
これは54年にわたるビアフラ国民の粘り強い努力、そしてナイジェリアから受けた大変な苦しみの結果、達成されたものです。
54 years since the war ended.
戦争は一旦終わりましたが、
This war lasted for 30 months from 1967 to 1970, 30 months. During this period, Biafra was independent nation.
1967年から1970年の間、30ヶ月にわたった戦争の間、ビアフラは国家として正式に国際社会に承認されていました。
During that period, Biafra was recognized by many countries, including Haiti, Zambia, Tanzania, and many other countries.
ザンビア、タンザニアなどたくさんの国に承認をしていただきました。
And during this war, over 3 million children were starved to death by Nigeria, blocking all areas food and amenities can come into Biafra. Over 3 million people were, children and women were killed during this period, including my own younger brother, who died of a sickness called kwashiorkor disease.
この戦争の間、ナイジェリアは強制的な経済封鎖をビアフラに対して行い、それは食料も止まり、ありとあらゆる生活必需品も止められました。そして300万人の以上の子供を含む大量の人々が餓死しました。そしてその中には私の弟も含まれていました。
I am lucky to be here.
私はここに今いられて大変な幸運だと思っております。
It has not been smooth road. It involves so many sacrifices.
それは決して平坦な道ではありませんでした。それは多くの犠牲を伴いました。
Yet Nigeria did not accept us.
私たちの独立をまだナイジェリアは受け入れてはおりません。
So we have to find a way to survive.
なのでビアフラは生き残る道を探しております。
The only way we will survive is our independence, freedom.
独立が自由になるための唯一の道です。
Yes, today we have achieved our free independence, but it's not yet complete.
私どもは自由になりつつありますが、まだ独立は完成してはおりません。
The oppression by the Nigerian government continues.
ナイジェリア政府による抑圧、弾圧は続いております。
Our people continue to suffer from poverty, violence from Nigerian government, and worse, Fulani herdsmen.
今なお私たちの国は貧困に苦しみ、ナイジェリア政府やフラニ族からの暴力に怯え、絶滅の危機にさらされています。
To be honest with you, we are the risk of extinction as I speak to you.
完全な民族絶滅です。
Currently, the Nigerian government is pressuring Finnish government to take away the freedom of speech of our Prime Minister Simon Ekpa.
ナイジェリア政府はフィンランド当局に圧力をかけて私たちの首相サイモン・エクパから言論の自由を奪っています。
Whom they have detained for no reason, for no very good reason.
全く理由なく不当に逮捕されたり、言論の自由を奪われている人が、政治家がいっぱいおります。
It's not only him, even our main leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the leader of this movement, who has been supported overwhelmingly by Biafrans, was adopted in Kenya and renditioned to Nigeria.
私たちの独立運動のリーダーであるナムディ・カヌはケニアで拉致され、ナイジェリアに身柄を引き渡されました。
Many courts in Nigeria has freed him, including United Nations Working Group, freed him, but yet Nigeria government kept them still in detention.
国連から彼を解放するようにナイジェリアに勧告は出ていますが、ナイジェリアはまだ彼を解放しません。
This is completely illegal.
これは完全に国際法違反です。
The only way to end this oppression is to gain the recognition from many countries of the world.
これらの弾圧を終わらせる手段は世界の多くの国々からビアフラ合衆国への承認を得ることです。
After this, our restoration of our independence, we have already requested approval from many countries around the world for recognition.
我々は世界各国の政府に対して常に承認を要求する正式な申し入れをしております。
Soon, Japanese government will receive our request for recognition.
日本政府にもその要請を正式に提出する予定でおります。
Of course, we trust the Japanese government, but now we want to do our best as well.
もちろん我々は日本政府を信用しておりますが、できうる最大限の努力をしたいと思っております。
I would like not only the government and the ruling party, but also the opposition parties and the supporters, Japanese society, and everyone at large to know about Biafra and its current situation. That is why I am here today.
政府・与党だけでなく、野党とその支持者の方にもビアフラとその現状を知っていただきたいのです。そのために今日私はここに来ました。
Now, for you to understand the independence of Biafra, I have to say this.
ビアフラの独立に関して、申し上げたいことがもう一つあります。
Nigeria is a failed state as of today.
ナイジェリアはさまざまなこと政策に失敗している国です。
Nigeria can no longer protect its citizens. Nigeria cannot protect the citizens.
ナイジェリアは市民を守ってはおりません。
Nigeria cannot feed its citizens.
ナイジェリアは市民を弾圧しています。
Children are dying because of hunger. Where they go to beg for rice on the Christmas period, they were killed for going to beg for rice. Okome.
子供は食べ物を得るために人を殺したりもしております。
Nigeria is often referred to as giant of Africa, but this is completely false image.
ナイジェリアはしばしばアフリカの巨人と呼ばれますが、それは間違ったイメージです。
The current situation of Igbo people living in Biafra is hell on earth.
まさに今、イボ族のナイジェリアにおける状況はこのような地獄のような状況です。
With the exploitation of resources, indiscriminate violence by the Nigerian military, and the threat of Fulani herdsmen.
資源の収奪や無差別の暴力、フラニ族の襲撃など、それらに怯えております。
But please don't get us wrong. We are consistently aiming for peaceful independence.
ですが誤解しないでください。我々は一貫して平和的な独立を目指しています。
Throughout the long independent movement, we have never committed terrorism. We have never challenged Nigeria. We have always asked for peaceful division of Nigeria.
長い独立運動を通じてテロを行ったことは一度もありませんし、こちらからナイジェリア軍に戦闘を挑んだこともありません。
However, Nigeria brings brutal force instead of dialogue, and we have to defend ourselves.
ですが、自衛のための武力は必要だと思っております。
I will say it again, Nigeria is a third nation.
ナイジェリアは問題を抱えた国です。
Nigeria is completely failed in conflict. Biafra independence is the only solution.
ビアフラの独立が唯一の解決方法だと思っております。
I would be happy if I could gain your understanding.
皆さんのご理解が得られると嬉しく思います。
Now, Rewa Shinsegumi's philosophy is similar to ours in that it respects human rights. It is a universal right value of humanity.
レオ新選組の理念は人権の尊重という点で私たちと共通しています。それは人類の普遍的価値です。
I heard that Rewa Shinseguми has several experts in international human rights issues.
レオ新選組には国際人権問題の専門家がいらっしゃると聞いています。
Their knowledge is our hope.
その方たちの知識や経験が私たちの希望です。
Today, I bring an official message from the government of Biafra.
今日私はビアフラ政府からの正式なメッセージを携えてきました。
It contains our constitution, our history, our national government organization.
それには我々の憲法や歴史や国の組織が書いてあります。
It also contains the restoration of our independence, the grievances, and the statement.
そして私たちの独立と国としての復活を望む意見と声明が書かれております。
Please carefully check on them.
ぜひよくそれをご覧いただきたいと思います。
And if everything is okay, I would like you all to support us that Biafra can be recognized.
そしてご同意いただければ、ビアフラが国家として承認されるようにサポートしていただきたいのです。
We need allies, we need friends. We want to make friends across the globe, and you are important to us as Biafrans.
私たちには仲間が必要です。味方が必要です。皆様のお力が必要です。それがビアフラに必要なものです。
Japan and the nation of Biafra has so many things in similarity.
日本とビアフラ共和国にはたくさんの共通点があります。
In this part of the world, Japan is referred as the rising sun of the nation of the rising sun.
第二次大戦の後、日本は日の昇る国として復活しました。
In Africa, Biafra is also considered or called the nation of the rising sun. That's why you can see the sign of rising sun in our boat.
ビアフラの国旗にも、日が昇る太陽の絵が描かれております。
So we need Japan to stand with Biafra, and you and me out here are the Japanese that can take our case to the people of Biafra and support us to get our independence, and we will have a very smooth relationship that will be beneficial to both Japan and Biafra.
日本とビアフラの友好を深め、皆様と手を取り合ってどうかお力を貸していただきたいと思います。そしてスムーズな交流関係、友好関係を築いていけたらと思っております。
Today, I will enforce this message that I have brought today from the government of Biafra to the Secretary General, Mr. Takai, with the hope that the 80 million Biafrans who are today suffering in Nigeria will one day live in peace in Biafra land.